Hello everyone. If you're interested in starting your online business, I suggest that you check out this site right here. It's free to start, and it's a platform, it's an educational platform that teaches you all the ways that you could possibly think of to advertise. It's really just a online training course that is 100% free, and it teaches you so many different ways to make money online with affiliate marketing and advertising in different areas like forums and other areas. The name of the website is Myonlinestartup, and it used to be called something else, and then they upgraded. It used to be earn easy commissions or whatever, and now they've upgraded and perfected it. And there's, like I say, all you have to do is create your free account and log in and check your email, and it will take you you verify your email, and it'll take you to the training and learning portion, and it will show you all the different some of the best ways to advertise online. Like I say, this is what can I say? Just like I say, check out the link, look at the video. It has a lot of testimonies of people who have started doing business. And the first thing, like I say, there's a video here you can check out, and it will definitely show you some, what to look for in the future.